Hey guys, we received this Joydeco Boho Washable Runner Rug for test and try. So it can be used for a hallway, entryway, beach 2x8, bathroom kitchen runner rug with a non-skid, washable, comfortable, non-slip and a soft, neutral, classic throw carpet for the laundry room or the entrance thing. So it's really nice and comfortable, and let's explore how this comes. So this comes in this nice packing, and let me just open. It's a normal general packing. So let me just take this out. It's a nice design. The pile height is around 0.2 inches, and it's a nice different colors that you can choose. So it's really helpful, like this is non-slip as you can see, and non-matic. So overall this is a nice design. It's not like something the gap, but smooth grip on the floor. So after expanding, you can see that this looks really nice on the floor, and then there is non-slip, so even if you put your feet, it's not going anywhere, and then have a nice overall length. Sidewise as well, you can see that it's really looks nice with the design and the nice look color. So you can see design and the close wise looks really nice and woven with the back non-skid layer, so that is not easy to skid, but a smooth one. So usually you have like the rubber grip and the silicone thing, but this is much more smoother, so you will not even feel in your feet that there is something below as a silicone skid. And with the feet, it's soft and see non-slipping. So even if I push my feet, so overall I think it's a really nice rug, and I really like this while walking and using with a nice design, and feel is also good. So I'm trying to show you from different angles so you can easily see, but it's smooth and very comfortable, and see like the design is also look good, matches nice with the hardwood floors, and nice for the entry gateway, like a nice rug for the entryway. Hope you like this as well, and pretty good. You can easily wash it in the machine, dry, and then use. Easy to clean as well.